The foolish tiger moral story. Long ago, in a big forest, there lived many animals and birds. They all enjoyed the nature and lived happily. There was a tiger living in the forest. He was very lazy once Tiger felt very hungry. He looked for some animals for his food. He saw a hare. His mouth started watering unseen. The hare. What a delicious food to eat, he said, hiding behind the tree where the hare was playing. Before he could take the next step, the hare saw the tiger and began to run in fuel. So the tiger also began chase it soon. The tiger caught the hare. The hare was trembling and fell and closed its eyes as the tiger raised his cloth paw to kill him. Tiger saw a deer grazing nearby. He thought the smaller hare will not be enough for him, so he left the hare and ran after the deer. The tiger could not catch up with the deer after a long run. The tiger felt very tired. He gave up cheese. He felt sorry for letting the hare off with an empty, ungrueling belly. He came back. Moral: don't be greedy.